Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you the difference between cards and vouchers. From the context menu of the domain you can see that you have two different menus. You have card management and voucher management. There is a big difference between these two options. We start to talk about cards. Once you enter in card management, you need to create a new card or a new set of cards. The cards will let the user log in, not entering the credential but entering username and password. So we just go on the login preview for a moment. So once you create a card, you create this username and password, so the user will start browsing right in the moment you insert this information and they are confirmed. So we go back to the administration. Now you create the card, you create that username and password. You choose the domain in which you want that card to be enabled, the product you want to associate to that card. An example could be that you offer the free connection, but for someone you want to give a different product. So as we saw on the other tutorial, you can create a different product. You can set maybe a price, or it could be also free, it depends on you, but it has different product policies, so different speeds, for example. You can choose to create this product, the quantity, the language, the expiration date, for example, could be another thing. And once you did this and you save, the system will create these cards for you. In this case, we are creating a set of cards. So once these cards are generated, you can enter. You can see that we have 10 here, and you can print. These cards, so with this username and password, the user can log in and use that product. You can choose to print this, and also you can see that now these are reds because I want to show you exactly what a card is. On the card management, you can see that you can customize this. You have the possibility to change the background, so it could be black, for example, or it could be with an image like this, and also the text can be white. In this case it's okay. We can save. You can see you have these different templates. So this is what you can do with a card. Just remember that with the card you don't collect any information from the user. You just collect the login, so you have a kind of anonymous login. With the voucher the thing is different, because the voucher can be redeemed after the registration. So in order to redeem a voucher, a user needs to register. So you collect the username, last name, and email. So we click on next. Oh, okay, this free product was registered, no problem. We can disconnect and see what's going on with the network. So this is something that happens sometimes. You can just enter on domain, products for the domain. Assign the free product need to be set to no. This is the first thing that we need to set up, because in this case, once the user log in, the free product was automatically assigned. In this case, we need to set this to no. And before doing anything else, we need to create a voucher. Maybe we also don't have a voucher. So we enter from the context menu. We need on voucher management. In this case we already have a voucher, so we can try to see if something is different now. We can try to register once again. And now you can see that you can choose between the free product, or you can choose to redeem a voucher. If you choose to redeem a voucher, you need to insert the code. This code is generated in the same way of the card. So you need to enter from the context menu and enter in voucher management. From voucher management you can create a new voucher, choose the domain, choose the product, choose the quantity, and then simply generate this voucher. If you print it, you can see that you have the template, and this is the code that the user can redeem in order to start surfing. So once the user inserts this information here and activate the product, it will start surfing, and you will collect the information from that user. Thing that is not possible with a card. So just remember this: with the cards, the user log in from the login page simply by inserting username and password. You don't know anything about that user. With the vouchers, you can collect information from the user and you can assign a product that maybe you don't want to sell to other, or you want a specific product. So this is the main difference between vouchers and cards.